Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you're signed into the Google account you want for YouTube Premium. This matters because coupons bind to accounts. Once done, check your payment method, credit, debit, or PayPal, so activation proceeds without interruption. Next, pull up the coupon code, note expiration and region restrictions, and make sure it's not already redeemed. Now open YouTube and go to Settings, Purchases, and Memberships to start applying the coupon. This is your first actionable step. You proceed through the premium purchase flow. Select the plan, tap Subscribe, and look for Redeem Code or Apply Promo right before payment. Enter the coupon exactly as shown, case and dashes matter, and then press Apply. Once the discount appears, check the new total and duration. Make sure the start date and any prorated billing are acceptable because some coupons kick in immediately. If everything looks right, confirm the purchase. You'll see a confirmation screen and email receipt afterward. You finish by verifying membership. Go to Settings, Purchases, and Memberships and confirm Premium shows active. Also play a video to confirm ad-free playback and background play. If you were charged full price, check the receipt, email, and payment history to see whether the coupon applied. Sometimes it shows as a separate line. If the coupon fails, clear app cache, try another browser or device, and retry. If problems persist, contact Google support with the coupon code and receipt. This usually
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.